making lemon cupcakes. So last week I showed you how to make lemon curds. I'm going to incorporate that into this sponge. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon sponge, a lemon buttercream, and you already know how to make the lemon curd. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram. It's baking.with.eva. So let's get into the baking. The ingredients you'll need for the sponge are 250 grams of self-raising flour, 250 grams of butter, the zest of 4 lemons, 4 eggs, 250 grams of caster sugar, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Just keep in mind that this recipe is for 24 cupcakes, as I'm making a lot of cupcakes today. So if you want 12 cupcakes, just half the recipe. It's as simple as that. The quantities will be in the description below. Let's get into the baking. Okay, so I've got my trusty mixer here, and the first thing we're going to do is grab our self-raising flour and pour that straight into the bowl. Next, we're going to add our sugar, so pour that in, and we're going to add in our bicarbonate soda. So all of the dry ingredients need to go in first. Make sure you sifted them beforehand. Next, we are going to add in all of our lemon zest. Might get a bit stuck on your plate, so just make sure that doesn't happen. And we're going to add in our butter. So now we're just going to give this a quick whip, and then we're going to move on to the other ingredients. Okay, so now we are going to add in the eggs. So I'm just going to grab another bowl that I can just reuse to put the eggshells in. So I'm just going to put 1 egg in. And we're going to mix this again. Okay, so now we are just going to quickly take this out, and we're just going to get everything off the paddle. It might be a very wet mixture, which is absolutely fine, which is what mine's like now. So, gosh, I need to slow down. So I'm just going to take all of this mixture off the paddle. Okay, so now we are going to grab take it off the mixer, put this in here, and I'm just going to make sure all the sides, because that's why your mixture is incorporated, because look, all of that was on the sides. So we're just going to slowly start mixing this to make a nice mixture. And then we are now going to add in all of our lemon juice, just to make it more zingy and lovely. So as I said before, don't worry if your mixture is too thick or too watery, because when you start mixing it by hand, it should go into a nice fluffy shape. So that's what's going to do now. So that is very lovely. I'm very happy with this mixture. I don't know if I told you, but for my birthday, because it's my birthday, April 6th, so I really enjoyed that. I made a lemon cake. I'll put it either here or here, a photo. So this is sort of based on that recipe. So maybe I should do one of those too. So now I'm going to probably put these into the cupcake cases. Okay, so I've now filled all these cupcakes up, and now I'm going to put them into the already preheated oven that's preheated at 170 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. When I took the cupcakes out of the oven, I used an apple corer to make holes in the middle, and then I slowly pressed them down. Next, I decided to fill them with lemon curd, which we made last week, and that should be in the top right corner if you click on that if you want to make that for these cupcakes. So now I just used some lemon buttercream to do a normal swirl on top of the cupcakes. I made the buttercream by using my normal buttercream recipe and added a couple of teaspoons of lemon juice into it So if you want to find out how to make the buttercream, there should be another link in the top right hand corner. And to finish them off, I put some sponge on top from when I took out the insides. And here are the finished results. I'm so happy about how they turned out. They will definitely be on my Instagram, so go check that out. And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and like it and comment what you want me to see me do next. See you guys next time. Bye!